Welcome guys, if you are looking for Mohamed Salah on the FIFA 23, in this quick video I'm going to show you where you can find him. Okay, so let's go for the customize, edit teams, club transfers, and we have to go for England and get the Liverpool, stay with the Premier League. And that's the Liverpool, and when you open the team, the whole squad, you will find Mo Salah at the first with the highest rating, the same with the Virgil van Dijk, 90. And yeah, you can transfer this player to another team by pressing X and then pick country, league and team, then confirm with X to transfer. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.